Hi, I'm Christian from Carphone Warehouse, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. 3 models that differ in spec across the series, and there are 3 things that we love about them: the perfect capture, the performance and connectivity, and the design in the display. So I'm going to head out and show you these in action. So I've come outside now, and as you can see, I get to enjoy some lovely British weather. But I want to talk about one of the things we love: perfect capture. Now, this is a great way to capture images and videos without the need for apps or editing software. As you can see right now, I'm using Director's View, which is amazing because it uses all of the cameras to record, which is fantastic because it means I get to be in it as well, as it uses the front-facing camera whilst using the rear-facing cameras. It shoots video in up to 8K, and you can grab high-res 32 megapixel stills from the footage using the 8K video snap, both during the recording and afterwards when you're rewatching. The single take feature automatically captures up to 14 creative versions of whatever it is you're doing, be it photos or videos, so there's no need to worry about taking several takes on those special occasions. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series also has loads of other camera features, such as night mode, studio lighting, and bokeh to really enhance your images. So the second thing we love about the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is its performance and connectivity, which is great for when you're out and about like I am today, because it uses the latest 5G connectivity. They all have the power you need to keep up with your social media effortlessly, as well as 8K video editing, or if you want to enjoy a console quality gaming experience with the super fast Exynos 2100 5nm processor. So I'm going to head back now because the weather's started to take a turn for the worse. But one thing I wanted to say before we go is the third thing we love, which is the design and display. This has got a real striking look and feel with the new contour cut design and frosted haze effect. The frosted haze finish really does make smudges and fingerprints a thing of the past. For protection and peace of mind, the S21 has a premium glass stick back, whilst the S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra have the toughest Gorilla Glass Victus, so you know your phone's in safe hands. They also have a dynamic AMOLED 2x display, meaning you're going to be enjoying movies in stunning colour and detail. They adapt to your surroundings, so on sunny days unlike today, you're going to have no problem. They have a 120Hz refresh rate, so you're going to enjoy seamless motion no matter what you're doing. If you'd like more information about the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, you can visit us online at carphonewarehouse.com.